Not just any low-profile motorhome, but a rear lounge low-profile motorhome. 2026 P720U from Pilote. You're watching SMC Motorhomes, let's get into it. Hi, I'm Nigel from SMC Motorhomes, and you join me today for a walk-around tour of the 2026 Pilote P720 U Evidence. So it's based on the Fiat chassis. It comes in at 3.5 tonne, and it's 7.25 metres long, 2.3 metres wide, and 2.85 metres high. It's got the 2.2 140 brake horsepower engine in and the 8-speed gearbox. So now let's take a walk around. And as with all of the 2026 Evidence models, it comes in the really nice metallic black cab with the striking black alloy wheels. As we move down, we've got this massive storage area in the side with tie down points in there. We've got the 2000 watt inverter up there. And then just below that, we have a cabinet for all of your electrics. And then the one below is where your lithium battery sits. As standard, this vehicle comes with two 100 watt solar panels on the roof and a lithium battery. Now moving further along, you'll notice it's also got the awning fitted and the LED light up there. Electric step, water fill, 130 litres fresh, 95 litres waste. Storage area there under your seating group, and we do have an hot and cold shower point there. As we move down the back, again, on the 2026 models, we've got the really striking LED lights, reverse camera up above. Moving down onto this side, we have got our heater outlet there, and it is fitted with a Truma diesel heating this year. Electric hookup, gas locker, and we can get 2 large bottles in there. And then the slide out locker for all of your wet cables, etc. Up to 70 kilos in that. Then up above, toilet cassette service area, and then your fuel fill. It has a 95 litre fuel tank on it as well. So now we've done the outside, let's get into the inside. If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified every time we release a new one. Welcome to the standout feature of this motorhome, this terrific rear lounge. As you can see, there's lots of seating here, and we do have 2 travel seats, one there and one at the front. Around me you can see we've got lots of windows. They've all got blinds and fly screens, and the blinds open from the bottom up. So if you want that little bit of privacy, put them halfway up and nobody can see in there. Up above me I've got the speakers, so I can have the radio on the back if I want to. Can watch the TV from here, or if you don't even want to do that, you could just sit here and have a nice relaxing time with a drink, reading a book. As we move forward from here as well, we've then got this really handy storage box. So we've got lots of storage just there, so you can put all your books, your wine bottles, whatever in there, and even more just there. And as you will also notice, it's a little seat, so as we walk into the vehicle we can sit down, take our shoes off, pop them in some of the storage, and we've even got a drawer there where you could put your shoes that you wear in your van down. The centre of this motorhome is really spacious. So we've got the kitchen here, we've got the stainless steel sink with the on-trend black tap above it, 240 volt socket with USBs, then a twin burner gas hob, opening window up above, and also skylights, so when we're cooking in this area we've got lots of air can come around us. Lovely big cupboard up above, and they're all on soft close hinges, so just shuts nice and gently there. Access to our gas cut-off points, oven and grill there, and then moving to the other side we've got a nice big cutlery drawer there, and then a drawer underneath with an inbuilt bin. As I step back a little bit, you can see we've got little spice racks, hanging rails up there. Compressor fridge on this one, so with that diesel heating and your lithium batteries, you can really get some power out there. And looking to my opposite side, we've got the door, with your control panel up here, Truma diesel heating control, fly screen on there as well. So all the really nice luxuries that you would expect in a van of this quality. What is incredible with this motorhome is how much space it feels to have. It is only 7.25 metres long, so it's not a big motorhome, but space-wise it feels great. Here in the washroom area, we've got these massive wardrobes, so you've got hanging space there. And then shelf space on this side. Down below we have access into the outside storage, but also you've got a 240 volt socket there and the switch for your inverter. Stepping back, we then have this little panel in the floor, which again you can put some stuff in there, and then you have access to your wastewater tank underneath. And then when it comes to shower time, what we can do is pull this separation curtain across to get a little bit of privacy from the front there. You do of course have blinds on the front windscreen, but that does just stop a little bit more. So now let's take a look around in here. So we've got the shower with a little duckboard on the bottom. It's got a towel hanging rail up above. And again, lots of nice features. The black accents really work in here. Up above me, I do have a skylight, so that lets out all of the steam and everything. And then we can swing the toilet door around to give us a totally enclosed area. Looking to my right, then got the toilet area. So again, skylight up above, nice mirror up there. And then opening there so you can put all of your washroom essentials in there. Down below we have this little storage area, which does have a 240 volt socket in. And then a little cupboard there with your toilet roll holder and everything in there. So lots of nice features around. And if I just step back, you can see the sort of space we're talking about. Really is a good area to be in. Up here in the cab area, again, bright and airy. We've got the big skylight above us. We've got windows all around us. We've all got blinds on, so we can put the blinds across and up the top. Then we don't have to use a curtain there if we don't want to. But the cab is loaded with features. We've got the leather steering wheel, we've got automatic lights and wipers, the electric park brake, obviously the 8-speed automatic, the 9-inch Pioneer Edge unit, which gives you DAB, Apple CarPlay, Google Play, so all of those things. And looking down below, we've got ample storage units. So we've got one on the top and two down below. So you can put all of your travel necessities in there. And then massive pockets on each door as well, so you could have lots of stuff up here you needed while you're travelling. Now let's take a look at the rear drop down bed. Now what you will notice is I took all of the cushions off there to get this bed as low as it will go. And it is a king size bed, so really big size there. And as you can see, I can just sit on the edge and straight into it without climbing up on anything. Now we can stop this bed at different heights, so if you're using it below as a 4th berth vehicle, but this is as low as we can take it. Just to finish off this tour, let's have a look at the specification of this vehicle. So we have got Truma Combi D6E diesel heating. We have two 100 watt solar panels, a 200 amp hour lithium battery, automatic gearbox, electric parking brake, awning on the outside, electric drop down bed, reverse camera, 90 litre fuel tank, external shower point, alloy wheels, compressor fridge, heated and insulated wastewater tank, a 230 socket in the storage area, the 9-inch DAB car radio, and then the only extra we've fitted to this vehicle is the inverter. And as we're filming, that brings the price out to £83,700. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this walk around tour of the Pilote P720 as much as we've enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and come back and join us in our next video. See you soon.